human eye and the colorful what? With this, we have prism, angle of prism, refraction, dispersion of white light by a glass prism, and formation of rainbow. और भी बहुत सारे topics. Prism. This one is a prism. It is a homogeneous transparent like glass, like a triangle. It has two triangles and two square or rectangle. And I think you are able to see here. Angle of prism means the angle between two non-parallel reflecting surfaces is called the angle of prism. The angle of prism is in between two non-parallel reflecting surfaces. We can say it like this also. Refraction. The bending of light when it passes from one medium to another medium. Focus here. A glass with half of water and we have to dip a pencil in it. You will see the refraction. In one medium it is like this, and when it enters through second medium, then it bends like this. This is called a refraction. We have two conditions of refraction. When light enters from rarer to denser, then it bends towards the normal, and when light enters from denser to rarer, then it bends away the normal. Angle of deviation. It is defined as the angle between the incident ray of light and emergent ray of light. Means the angle that is placed between the incident ray of light and emergent ray of light is known as angle of deviation. Dispersion of white light. The phenomenon of splitting of white light into different colors is called dispersion of white light. I have taken a prism here and the white light is passing through the prism. We will able to see 7 colors in the screen, like in violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, like a rainbow. Have you ever thought what is the cause of dispersion? So let's think about it. As white light is composed of colors and each color had its own wavelength. The colors with the largest wavelength is the red, and the colors with the lowest or least wavelength is violet. So due to this reason, it gives rise to dispersion. Recombination of spectrum of light. We have taken two prism here. First prism we have placed like this, and second prism we have placed like this. So when white light will pass through here, we will again able to see 7 colors. And when that 7 colors will go from second prism, we will see white color in this screen. Dispersion of light in nature, and the big example I have for you is rainbow. You know that dispersion takes place in nature also. So the big example is rainbow. So how the rainbow formed? Rainbow is formed when sunlight falls on the raindrop suspended in air, and it acts like a prism. So you know that what the prism do. Atmospheric refraction. The refraction that takes place in atmosphere is known as atmospheric refraction. How does star twinkle? The star twinkles due to atmospheric refraction, because starlight reaches to us through atmosphere, and as we have studied earlier that when it moves rarer to denser medium continuously, so it makes an apposition that is different from actual medium. So the continuously this process, then it leads to the twinkling of stars. Why does planets do not twinkle? Because planets are closer to us and it acts like an extending source of light. Therefore, planets do not twinkle. Why we can see sun few minutes before actual sunlight and few minutes after the sunset? This is also due to atmospheric refraction. Because when sunrise and sunset take place, the sun is at horizons. It has to travel longer distances and undergo refraction. Due to this reason, sun can be seen few minutes before and after sunset. And you know that we get 4 minutes extra sunlight in 24 hours, means in a day. Why sun appears oval at sunset and sunrise at circular at moon? This is also due to atmospheric refraction. As we have studied earlier, during sunrise and sunset, this sun is at horizons. So the rays of light from the sun bends unequally while traveling through atmosphere. So the sun rays enters the atmosphere during noon. Why stars that are high? Because of atmospheric refraction. Stars are at high. Scattering of light. When light falls on tiny particles, the tiny particles absorb the light and remit in different reaction is called scattering of light. Thanks for watching.